Hello, namaste, sat sri akal, adab to everyone who's watching this video. My name is Hitesh Ashnani and welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is how to find jobs, how you can go and apply for jobs, what documents do you need, and what documents you should submit and what you should not submit, because a friend of mine has been stuck into a trap. So I'll be guiding you regarding this, and I'll be showing that how I will be saying and I'll be asking about the jobs. Also, I would say salam alaikum everyone, because sweet subscriber of mine has requested me to say salam alaikum. So bro, this is for you. And I am heading towards the mall and I will be showing you how you can apply for jobs. Also the photocopies, there is a saying that photocopies are very expensive here. It's really nothing like that. I will be showing you how cheap it is, and I'll be clearing the doubt forever for everyone. So share the video if you guys like it, and who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe the channel. It really gives me motivation, and I love you guys who are watching this video. So I'll be catching you guys, and moving forward I'll be showing you everything today. See you. सफर में गुजर जाते हैं. सॉरी गाइज, मेरे को हंसी आ गई, बट आगे बढ़ते हैं. इज्जत देख रहे हो हमारी, मेरी ग्रीन है और इसको रुकना पड़ा भाई, और मेरी ग्रीन है. और अब मैं जा रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, और सबसे जहाँ पे सस्ती फोटोशॉप होती है वो होती है स्टेपल्स पे. Now I gonna show where exactly do we have to go. Yes, there. We need to go exactly there, and the photocopies, the printouts, and everything is very cheap. It's just a myth. Let's go. I'm gonna show you. So you guys need this card so that you can use it here. You need to insert it here, and then you need to take that back quickly so that it can swipe. So you guys need this card to get the printouts done. So if you do not have any card, what you can do is you can go at the reception and then you can ask for a card, and then you can recharge your card for $5 or $10. That's up to you. Only the document in the mail or in the mobile. So what you can do is you need to select a mobile option here, print, and then mobile, and you will be coming here. Now you need to send your document here, and then after that if I go and do next, so I need to enter the code which I have got on my email. You need to enter the code here, and then you can give the print command. That's it. It's easy. As I've entered my code here, and my code is entered now, and the document is loading. See, my document is loaded now. I'll be selecting only one page because I have the matter on the one page, and I'll be giving a command that's black and white. Okay, and I'll be taking around 6 to 7 copies suppose. And if I go and do next, so my command is printed, and just 95 cents if you can see. I'll be doing print. Now it has been sent to the printer, and then the documents will be coming here. So the price of printing is whether a photocopy or if you're mailing it. For black and white it's 11 cents, and for colored it's 41 cents. So it's very cheap. I'm going inside and I'll be asking if there is any availability directly to the manager, and because I have already asked them to call the manager, so I'll show you so that I can record and show you if the job is available or not, or how we can ask about the job. So let's go inside. Hi, good, how are you? I'm so sorry that I couldn't record that video because I think she was watching me doing that, so I didn't record. and I directly asked that, is there any availability for part-time jobs. She told me that, the availability is not there. As soon as you can apply online, I have already applied online, so as soon as the availability will be there, she'll be looking into my resume and they will be giving me a call back. So that's how you need to ask. Just because I missed one bus, I need to go to the next stop, and that's 2 kilometers far. डैम, यहाँ पे कोई बस मिस मत करना यार. तो यहाँ पे ना बस का बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ता है कि भाई यार बस एक भी निकल जाए ना, 17 मिनट 18 मिनट बाद आती है, और अभी मैं आगे वाले स्टॉप पे चलते हुए जा रहा हूँ पैदल. और सेकेंडली मतलब लोग सच में कहते हैं यार गर्मी है, तो मतलब गर्मी है भाई, मान लो, क्योंकि भाई मेरे को पसीने छूट गए हैं मेरे, और ऊपर से वॉक करना पड़ रहा है धूप में, और यहाँ की ना धूप बहुत तेज़ लगती है. सो आई वुड रिकमेंड यू गाइज टू अप्लाई सनस्क्रीन, क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा है यार टैनिंग ना हो जाए मेरे को. सो दिस इज़ वॉट इट इज़. और अभी मैं हाईवे पे ही है, शायद हाईवे ही है एक तरीके का, तो मैं यहाँ वॉक कर रहा हूँ. और साथ साथ आई टेल यू, a friend of mine been into a trap where he has submitted his SIN number and the study permit. He has mailed both of them to one of the companies, one of the hiring agency. So I would request you, do not forward your email regarding SIN number, because you guys will be into a trap. Do not do that until and unless you get a confirmation that yes, you are hired now and you will be coming on this schedule. So do not forward it, because this would be a trap for you guys, and I don't want anything bad to happen, because we know that how international students come here, how much money they invest here, and I do not want anything bad should happen. So guys, you should take care of yourself. And यहाँ देख लिया है, यहाँ पे बहुत फंसाते हैं लोगों को, तो फंसना नहीं है. I'll tell you one more incident where I was hired, okay, and they asked me that work for 5 hours, we'll be seeing the training, we'll be seeing that you are clearing it or not. And I thought that they'll be paying me for 5 hours, but then I said that learning as in what does it mean. They told me, then they cleared me that you will not be paid. Then I was like, why should I work for 5 hours just for a job, and then I do not have any guarantee that I'll be getting paid for it. No. A friend of mine has a friend who has chopped onions for 8 hours regular without any stop, and they did it. Franchisee was asking that we'll be letting you know later. I was like, what? I don't want to take the names and I do not want to spoil anyone's image, but these things happen. So try to avoid and do not enter into these kind of traps, because that won't work. That literally won't work. And I really don't want you guys to get into these kind of shit. So please take care of yourself, okay? And now I am heading towards the bus stand, and then I'll see you. जो इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स को रास्ता दिखा रहा है वो खुद ही खो गया है यहाँ पे, और मैं सच में भटक गया हूँ. और यहाँ पे सही में इतनी धूप है, मेरा दिमाग नहीं चल रहा. मुझे एक बार ये मुंह धोना है ताकि मैं एक बार थोड़ा फ्रेश फील करूँ और फिर जाके आगे निकलूँ, क्योंकि मैंने बस पकड़ ली गलत और मैं दूसरी साइड आ गया हूँ हाईवे के. और हाईवे के लिए क्रॉस करने के लिए भी यहाँ पे इन्होंने इतने फेंसेस लगा रखे, वरना तो बंदा ऐसे टाप टूप के चला जाता है, बट वो भी पॉसिबल नहीं है. और मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा यार, मैं यहाँ फंस गया हूँ. मुझे अब मेरे को पहले अपना मुँह धोना है. मेरे बाल देख लो कैसे हो रहे हैं यहाँ पे ना. सो नथिंग टू वरी नाउ, आई हैव फाइनली वॉश्ड माई फेस, फीलिंग सो फ्रेश. अब चलो, अब बताते हैं, अब रास्ता ढूंढेंगे भी और अपना रास्ता बनाएंगे भी. चलो. First option is you can drop your resumes in the places. Second option is you need to contact the consultancies or the agencies where they will be registering you so that you can get the job. Third are the most important, that is reference. Here references work a lot. If there is a person working there, they can give a reference and you'll definitely there are a lot more chances to get a job. So references work a lot. And one more point, you can apply online on Best Buy, you can apply online on Winners, you can also apply online on different stores. So Walmart you can apply, So these are the different options on which you can apply.
So you can also apply on these kind of stores, or you can apply on any food outlet such as Domino's or Popeyes, or any mobile shop such as Freedom, Mobile Tech, something like this. So depending on you, you can apply on various stores like this as well.
As soon as you have applied to different stores and you have dropped your resumes, you need to take the card of that, and you need to follow up. How you will follow up? You need to contact the manager or maybe at the store, so and asking about that, yes, I have dropped my resume, so how much long will it take? As soon as you'll try to do that, after 2-3 days they'll be considering, because follow-ups here really means a lot, because they will see that how much you are interested in the job. So you need to do the follow-ups. As I have dropped my resume in around 8 to 9 stores, and I've taken their numbers, also their email IDs. So you need to do that follow-up, and that is very, very necessary for you. Alright, so do that now.
Finally, I found a way to go to the highway, walk a bit, and then finally get into the right bus so that I can go back home. Guys, what you can do is, if you do not have any Presto card to travel in the streetcar, you can enter the streetcar and then you can use this machine, and you can take your ticket out by entering $2 coin, $1, 25 cents, 10 cents and 5 cents. So these are the coins which can be used, and through that you can buy a ticket.
So this was all for the day, and I hope you guys like the video. Please hit the like button, and if you have any query, please comment down, or whatever you want to see next, please comment. And till then, keep supporting, keep loving, share the video, and I will see you in the next video. And I love you guys, you know it. See you soon. Bye bye.